Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing where I have something in stock, talk about what it is and what it does. Today with us we have the B2 Audio RIOT 8-inch 4-ohm 150 RMS Mid-Range Speakers, or the RIOT8P. The RIOT8P are powerful and precision-engineered speakers designed for audio enthusiasts who demand exceptional sound quality and performance. With 150 watts of RMS, these 8-inch speakers deliver dynamic mid-range frequencies, making your music come alive with clarity and intensity. Their durable construction and 4-ohm impedance ensures seamless integration into high-performance audio systems, providing an adrenaline-pumping listening experience. Let's talk a little bit more about its features. Like I said, it has 150 watts RMS power for dynamic mid-range frequencies. It has a high sensitivity at 97 decibels for clear and impactful sound. The robust construction is designed to handle intense audio setups with durability. It's a versatile integration of 4 ohms impedance, and it has a precision engineering that delivers explosive clarity for depth and high-energy listening experience. The price on these are $164.95. If you're interested in these, you can get it at bigjeffaudio.com/collections/B2 Audio. And as always, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And also comment something you would like to see unboxed. In the meantime, thanks for watching.